wait, how do you do the sketch question? Like, you really like punch it into your calculator and then just like copy that from the calculator?
Yeah, no, my teacher tells me to do that.
Oh, so you are allowed to do that?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, then I thought this kind of like cheat, like sketch means like you need to do it the fundamental way. Okay, so let me just teach you the fundamental way because
Okay.
you are good with the copy and get it from the calculator, right? So
Mhm.
no point asking you to like just key in and then copy, right? So let me
Yeah.
teach you the fundamental way, yeah. So
Okay.
given this y equals to 5 cosine 2x plus 3, so like I say you need to draw the I call it the basic curve first.
Okay.
1 minus 1 label 180. This is 135, right?
Yeah.
0. This is 270, right? This is 360. 90, 90. This is 90, I'm
Eh,
sorry.
well, how come it's 270? Oh yeah, yeah.
Okay,
Okay. If
so
it's
this
270,
is the
then that's
basic curve,
90.
which is cosine x, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so okay, in fact, when I'm doing this, right, I think it should remind you of the modulus question. So in fact, right, the modulus question, let's go back to slide okay, the slide 5. So in fact, for all actually what I'm trying to tell you is in order to draw some graph, right, it's always start with the fundamental graph. Then the step one is always the fundamental graph. Then next is the one with the modular sign.
Okay.
So similarly, if you go back to slide the last slide 9, so you always draw the fundamental the basic curve, which is y equals to cosine x. Then you modify from here. Okay, so how you modify from here? So instead of cosine 2x, I mean instead of cosine x, we have cosine 2x
Okay.
here. So cosine 2x, what it means is, so let me just do it over here. Because of cosine 2x, what I'm trying to say is, when my x is 0, it is 1. Okay? When my
Mhm.
x is 45, it is cosine 90. So cosine 90 is 0. So that means it will drop to, I mean when it's 45, it will drop to 0 already.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
So when it's, okay, so cosine 180, cosine 180 is 0, is negative 1. So but for this cosine 90 is, it dropped to negative 1 already.
Okay.
Does it make sense to you now?
Yeah.
Roughly the same lah. Okay. Then of course cosine 135, it will go to 0 again. Then 180 is 1. Done.
Okay.
So with all these points, turn, okay, cross, 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 cross. So you draw the cosine 2x, which is this. So in a way, right, what this means is if you have cosine 2x, right, basically you just uh you have 2 cycles in 360. For this one cycle is 360.
Okay.
You understand now?
Yeah.
So it's about the period lah. So two, basically this is 2 periods in 360.
Okay.
Okay, so now I need to give the 5, right? So you give a 5. So when you give the 5, so your 1 becomes 5, your negative 1 becomes negative 5, 0 is still 0. So done. Does it make sense?
Mhm.
But now the question is you need to plus 3, right? So plus 3 you need to raise by 3. So 5 will be 8, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, 5 will be the 8. So I need to 5 will be 8. Let me use a different color. 0 will be 3, right?
Yeah.
Minus 5 will be minus 2. 0 will be 3. 5 will be 8. This is the 0 to 180, right?
Mhm.
So I need to accommodate the negative side as well, right?
Mhm.
So let me erase. Okay, what I'm trying to tell you here is you always start from the fundamental, this curve. Over here.
Okay.
And then you try to modify. So if 0 to 180 is this, so to minus, then that means you need another set of this, you understand me?
Yes.
So then this is your minus 45, then this is your minus 90, and this is your minus 135, then minus pi. Okay?
Okay.
So instead of degree mode, you just change it back to the radian mode. Okay?
Okay.
So this will be your part 3. Okay?
Okay.
And hence state the number of solution to the equation. This is 8 over pi x. You know what's 8 over pi x? Just draw it out. Okay? So when x is pi, so it's 8. When x is pi, which is here, so it's 8. So this is 1 point. Okay, 8 pi x, right? So when x is pi, y is 8. So this is 1 point. Let me use a black one. So you just draw it on the graph. So then when 8 pi, so when x is half pi, then this will be 4. 4 is somewhere here. Okay? Then you continue. 0. 0 is 0. Okay? Then 8 pi, when you have a negative half pi, negative half pi is negative 4. So it's somewhere here. Okay, by the way, this is negative, let me see. I need to do it better. This is my negative 2.
Okay.
Yes. So it's negative 4, which is here. So you just draw this line there. Okay. So how many point of intersection? 1,
2.
2, 2 only.
2.
Did I draw it correctly? So let me just test this point. So 8 over pi, and then I have the negative pi over 4. So times pi gone. So it's negative 2. So negative 2 is somewhere here. You can insert the two lines into your graphical calculator and see if you also have 2 points of intersection. 2 points of intersection, 2 solutions. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, so let me just use I have a graph calculator on my side as well. So let me just quickly check. You also check on your side, please.
Okay. Actually, mine looks like there's
No,
3.
3. Okay, let me just continue my side first. Yep, good to hear that you have 3. So just bear with me first. And for me, 2. For me, looks like 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. The problem is here
On top.
on top here, like this point, right?
Mhm.
If you look, it's here, so it's like this. Yeah. Yeah, something like this. Okay. Okay, good. So yeah. So my graph is not very nice. Yeah, sorry about it. Yeah. Freehand. Okay.
Okay.
So it's okay. So just something I need to improve on next time. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, I think that's about time. that we call it a day for today.
Okay.
So hopefully next like I say next week, please Saturday 7 to 9. So just log in Zoom first, 5 minutes before the lesson. Get our IT equipment ready. Then okay. So for this question the question that you need to sketch so just follow the. So in fact I get this curve just to show you. So just use your graphical calculator together with the but I still want you to learn the manual method yeah.
Okay.
Because I find that yeah, so we go back to the fundamental.